Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub. Then we need a lid. This week, we are working with the letter Y. So let's find the Y sticker. There it is. It has an uppercase Y and a lowercase y. Next, let's put the sticker on the tub. And once again, we're finding the letter Y, and here is an uppercase Y and a lowercase y. Next, let's put the sticker that goes on the lid, the bottom side of the lid. There it is. So here it is again, an uppercase Y and a lowercase y. All right, let's find the things that go in the bucket. We'll find them first. Let's find the uppercase Y. There it is. Next, let's find the lowercase y. Now, let's find some things that start with the letter Y, like a yak. Wow, he has long hair. Next is this little puffball, and it's the color yellow. It is yellow. Next, we want to find some string called yarn. There it is, yarn. Next, let's find yogurt. There's a cup of yogurt. Next is a toy called a yo-yo. And next is a sign that says yield. You will see that on the road sometimes. Let us review and put things in the tub. First, we're going to put the uppercase Y. Then the lowercase y. Now let's put the yak in. Now yellow. Next is yogurt. Next is yarn. Next is a yo-yo. And the last one is the sign yield. Amazing. Let's put the lid on that one. We're all done. That was the letter Y and things that started with the letter Y. After Y is the letter Z, the last letter of the alphabet. See you next time.